Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Zelle for premium payments safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Zelle for your premium payments, start by ensuring you have an active bank account. Next, download the Zelle app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and select the option to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile number. Choose the same email or phone number associated with your bank account for easier linking. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email address or phone number. Once verified, you'll need to choose your financial institution from the list provided. If your bank supports Zelle, you can log in with your online banking credentials. If your bank doesn't support Zelle directly, you can still use the Zelle app by adding your debit card. After successfully linking your bank account or debit card, you will need to set up a security method. This may include creating a secure password or enabling biometric login, such as fingerprint recognition. With your account set up, navigate to the Pay feature within the app. To send a premium payment, enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Input the payment amount, ensuring it matches your required premium. Add a memo to the transaction for your records if necessary. Review all the details carefully before confirming the payment. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification that your payment has been sent. The recipient will also receive a notification and can access the funds almost instantly. If any issues arise, consult the Zelle support resources within the app or through your bank. By following these steps, you can safely and efficiently set up Zelle to handle your premium payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.